Hi guys,
This is my Nima.
and this is my Arella. For today's video, I have a question for Arella, so we can check how smart she is.
Ako yung... Sige na.
I don't like to make up.
$100.
Kunyari na lang, wag. Sige, come back here.
My dad.
Dali.
Sige.
Here's my question na. How do you think your generation, kids like you,
Anong generation?
generation, mga ka-age mo, syempre,
You know how do I think of my age?
here's my question. How do you think your generation will change the world for the better?
Our age.
For example, 20 years from now, di lahat kayo, halimbawa, for example, you and Cheska, pamangkin ko yun. You and Cheska, you graduated already in college, or you're studying, you're working na. How do you think you will change the world a better place? Can you answer that?
Age. Yung age namin.
Oo nga, for example nga, adult na kayo. By that time, how will you help the world to be a better place? Labo na sa lamin ko.
Helping the poor.
Wow, good answer. So, you will have tawag doon, hindi naman project, kundi you will if there are poor, you will help them.
Yeah.
What kind of help will you do?
Give money, give shelter. Kung iba, all of our countries, I will go there and I will study very hard. Then I will give them all money.
Okay, very good. So, you said
Yung
that
countries lang kaya ko.
you will go in different countries and then help the poor people that you will see. Yun ba yun?
Yeah.
Very good. Irena will give them food, shelter.
Ano, syempre, mabuting bata ako.
Pero syempre, that time hindi ka na bata. Adult ka na nga nun.
Mabuting adult ako, mabuti.
Very good. Very good. Si Irena, napaka-generous niya, di ba? She wants to help poor people. He will give them food and shelter. Good answer, Arella. Siguro, syempre, if you can do that, mababawasan ng mga taong nagugutom sa mundo, di ba? And that means, you're making a little part of, you're making a little part of making the world better. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, napakabait naman ni Arella. Okay.
Look at this beauty. Amogam-kera.
Good answer,
Look,
Arella.
Nina. Amogam-kera.
I wish that you'll matupad mo yung mga dreams mo na ganyan. Okay?
I am pretty.
Promise that in the world, ha?
Look at this. Amogam-kera.
Ang dumihan yung ano mo.
I promise it for Mother Earth.
Very good. Good job.
Promise Mother Earth.
Yeah, thank you for watching our video. Parang inaantok na ako. Parang naliliyo. Thank you for watching our video. Till next.
Bye.
Yeah, please support us. Bye.